Hello, this is a Banggood review of right angle tool attachments for Dremel. And I'm not affiliated with Banggood, nor did they pay me anything to do this review, and I bought everything here with my own money. So I'm reviewing this, which is a 90 degrees attachment for Dremel. And I think it is quite a good quality and worth a review. So it attaches to a standard Dremel tool with a screw like this, and the end that spins the screw here is 7 millimeters, which is compatible with Dremel 3000. This is the unit that I have. I know some Dremels I have 8 millimeters screw here, so you can still put it on the Dremel, but the output will be 7 millimeters, which is not that big a deal, because you also get a Dremel head, a bit holder, which you screw on here, and it works exactly like the Dremel. And you get this little wrench, I guess, to tighten things up, a tool to lock in the head, I'll show it in a bit, and an attachment that you put in your Dremel in order to connect to the mechanism inside here, and an extra piece like this, like that, that you can use. I think it's called collet, an extra collet. Maybe my English is incorrect here, so I didn't use it, but you do get it. So when you get an extension for the Dremel tool, so I have another extension which is a long wire. And when you start the Dremel, a lot of the power of the Dremel goes into spinning the extension itself with a force that is not transferred onto the bit itself. So this is a problem. But in this case, and I didn't disassemble it because I want to use it, I think the power transfer here is not through a cable, but through a set of gears. And if someone disassembles it, I would like to see what's inside. But the power transfer here is really good as far as I can see it. I didn't measure it. And so I think it is a good quality, and the plastic is good quality as well. So let's see how we attach it to the Dremel. So okay, first of all, this is the original Dremel bit holder, and I put this, which comes in the kit, and let's screw that in. Now we screw this on here, and the nice thing here is you can release this, and once you release this, you can spin it in let's see, 1, 2, 3. So in jumps of 30 degrees, right? So 30, 60, 90. Yeah, so in jumps of 30 degrees. And when you think that this is the angle that is good for you, you just screw this part back on, and it no longer spins. So you have to screw it pretty tight, like this. So let's it wasn't tight enough. Okay, so this is the angle that I want. So now the business end of things, and this is just your regular holder. So here, in order to tighten it, you need to look inside the hole here, and it's very hard to show through the camera, but at some point it aligns with another hole in the shaft, and then you can insert this tool, and now everything is locked in place, and you can tighten it with the wrench and take the tool out. Okay, so it's pretty noisy, and I lower the volume of the video when I turn it on. Don't worry, if you're using headphones it's okay. So let's turn it on. So I feel the power transfer is okay, but now let's test it on this. I'm working on a pick here, and I need to grind off this bit a little bit more, and it's pretty cool. Instead of coming like this, which I was doing before this tool, now I can simply come from where I sit. I usually sit in front of it here. So let's see what we can do. So to conclude, I did feel that there's some loss of power compared to without it, but that was to be expected from anything you put on a Dremel. It sits very tightly. If you don't tighten the screw enough, then when you press on it, it may screw out. But now I tighten it pretty well, so it didn't spin. And all in all, I think this is a very good buy, especially for the low price that it costs, if you need the right angle for your Dremel. And I certainly going to use this in order to finish the pick. So if you have questions or inquiries about this item, I'll put a link in the description. Non-affiliated link. I can't offer you discount. Sorry, maybe you can find discount on some other channel. But for $12, I think this is a very good buy. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.